All right, guys, I'm going to be unboxing this one, which is one of 5 that I have as part of my Foundry kit. And to be honest, Lupin team, well done. This is just amazing. Like, it looks so amazing, incredibly detailed. Even the packaging. I mean, look at this. It's premium stuff. I mean, it's got my fingerprints all over it, but yeah, premium stuff. I must say the most striking thing about the packaging, I mean, on top of the really nice finish and printing and all that, is how squared up everything inside the box is. I mean, look at that. Like this, the thank you note, and of course behind the thank you note, we've got number 299. But how this thank you note and the I guess the certificate is squared up with the cloth, the cleaning cloth, and the cleaning cloth squared up with the box, and then and the keycap right in the middle. It's just amazing. It's just consistent with across all of the boxes that I've got. And I must say, I know how much work it is just to put all that together. I'm not sure if you did it or the factory did it, but it's just amazing. But anyway, have a look at that. 299 for this, what is it? It's the sandblasted aluminium keycap. All right, let's take it out. Look at that surface. It looks great. And I love the font. It's such fine engraving. I imagine it must be quite hard to get that precise and this consistent, like in terms of quality. But it's just amazing. So well done team. Well done, Loop.